Hello friend, this is Manpreet. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Career Talks with Manpreet. In this video today, I'm going to discuss regarding the visa date problems. Yes, number of bachelor students facing a problem to get a visa dates for their visa interviews. To clarify, to make this all process smooth, we plan a simple options. We have a simple options for you regarding that, so watch this video till end. Definitely you get a good option in this video. If you plan to do studies like this, then I guess this process is little bit smooth. Let me explain you from the beginning. So uh, if we talk about the bachelor degree program, if we talk about the bachelor's admission, the German public universities, there are a few requirements. Number one, there is a need of German language till C1 level. You have to clear test there for till C1, and after that, there is a requirement of 13-year education, which is called Student Colleague Program, which takes around 10 months. And number third, to enter into this public student click program, you have an entrance exam called the Aufnahmeprüfung, which is also not an easy exam. So success ratio is low. If you're not clearing this entrance exam, you not get an admission to the public student click program. And number fourth, there's the exit exam of the student click program, that is FSP. To get admission in the desired course of public universities, you have to clear this FSP program with high grades. So these are the few requirements which you require to enter into the German universities for your bachelor degree program. So this is the actual procedure, right? When we get counseling, it looks very normal and stress free, but obviously it's not. It's so easy, right? Because these are the mandatory exams, and these exams patterns, if you found from anywhere, maybe in patterns you feel that it's these exams are easy, but still you need a high grade in all these exams to enter into the German public universities according to your desired stream. So number of students facing problem regarding that, according to the German education system, if they not get a good grade, they have to change their streams. They have to opt some other courses, because if they are not getting the good score in these exams, then they are not have any option to enter into the public universities according to desired courses. So to make all this process smooth, we have a one solution under one roof. We have a a smooth package for that. If you start process with us, you first have to complete your German language till B2 level. After B2 level, you have an option to start online student colleague program from your. It's also possible from your home country. So when you start the student colleague program, you do language C1 level and student colleague program simultaneously, and it's a 6 months short term intensive course. It's an online program. After completing this, there is an internal FSP. It's a recognized FSP. After the student colleague program, you get a confirmed guaranteed admission into the public universities of Germany. So this is the whole procedure. If you plan to enter into German public universities for your bachelor program so easily, then this is an option that just start a language process. After B2 level, start this online student colleague program. In an year, there are two intakes for this student online student colleague program. First is the March intake and second one is the September intake. If you start language now, then you can easily enter into this online student click program in September intake. After this 6 months course, then in March you definitely entered into the university according to desired course. So the students who are going to be who are in the end of the 12 sessions, whose final exams are on the way, so first of all, best of luck to all the students. And if you're planning to do your bachelor studies in Germany, then start your language classes as soon as possible, so that you can start your online student click program. so that you easily enter into the public universities according to desired course in your bachelor degree in the March intake. There is nothing to be wait for that. Easily you can start online language classes. Easily you can start student colleague program online. It's a short term 6 months program, and the best part of that is uh, in between, in the whole process in between, we when you start process with us, we try to book your visa slots whenever you get the date, either in August, either in September, either in November, either in December, either in January. When you get the date, you can fly and you can continue your study according to that. You do here the pending part you can do there after reaching Germany. So there is no wastage of time. There is no there is not in any create any problem in your studies. There is no confusion. You have to wait there. When you get a visa slot, according to that you plan your studies. So it's a very good option for all the 12th students who are pursuing 12th, who are going to give the exams in the May. And first of good luck for your exam. Do focus on your exams properly, and on the side by side just start your language classes with us. After completing language, we can help you to get this online student colleague entry directly. Without entrance exam, you can enter into this student colleague program. After the student colleague program, you get a confirmed admission into the public university, zero tuition fees, where you have to pay nothing for the university for your whole bachelor degree. It's a government funded university, so they are charging zero tuition fees. You have to pay nothing for your bachelor course there. So this is, I guess this is a very good option for you all. According to that, there is no wastage of the time. So start language program with us. We can help you to enter into this online student click program, and in the whole process in between, whenever we get the visa slots for you, we can book your dates, give you visa training, and help you to fly Germany, reach there, and by the March you can enter into the universities for your bachelor program. Still you have any query, any confusion, you can visit our office, you can call us or message us at 836 8027 66313. Thank you.